Okay, so this is the landing page for the application. It shows the events that are happening today, and then it also shows the communities. So this page shows the communities a user is following, as well as the communities that are being featured or promoted. View all shows the list of events that are happening under a different category from the landing page. So if you want to see communities in detail, you can select one community. We're looking at Ladu Poetry House, which is a poetry community. You can check out their social media page. You can see the list of events they have coming up. You can go and click a particular event to see the details under that event. You can see you can check out the lineup, you can see the directions, you can see how to get a ticket, that's a link. You can call the venue if there's information you need. You can also click notify me so that you can get a reminder about the event on the days closer to the event day. The account page is where, as a user, you can go to my account if you want to log out of the app or delete your account. About Us has our social media profiles and share feedback. We love feedback. Gives you access to give us any feedback that goes directly to the product team and the founding team. I am logged in as a vendor, so I can scan attendance for those who come for my events, so that I can build a database of people who come for my events and send them alerts about future events. I can also ask for reviews to get feedback about the events to anyone who has been scanned that day. Every Tonda user has a unique QR code, and that's the code that gets scanned when they check in or when they attend your event. You can also run promos and scan QR codes to redeem them for users. And this is our dashboard, which is currently in a beta version that uses AI to create events. We ask for information that makes it easier for us to then use intelligent content generation to quicken the process of thinking through a structure of an event. The kind of questions that we ask are meant to guide us on what you're looking for as an organizer in terms of your objectives and why you have the community in the first place. Our model uses very simple inputs. These are improved upon using AI, and then we measure alignment of your objectives of the event and your community. We also then give you a score based on that. That predicts the likelihood of success for your target audience given the objectives of the community versus the objectives of the event. Everyone hates creating an agenda, takeaways. An agenda is a very key part to the planning of the event, and so here organizers are able to kind of think through what they have and how they want to improve it. Takeaways are very important for communications. We have learned from the app that the better your takeaways and the clearer they are, then the more likely you're going to have interest or gather interest. This information will be used for the partnership hub, where based on your target audience and your objectives for the event and the community, we will be able to assess the extent of alignment with other communities, with sponsors, with approaches to media planning to simplify and increase the likelihood of visibility and success of your event. The higher the score, the higher the likelihood of having a successful event, and so we are working on this to make it even more accurate and more predictable for any organizer.